Hey friends, if you encounter error loading player in Chrome while playing video, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the internet connection, and how would you do that? Simply go to fast.com and hit enter. It will show the internet connection speed. If it's good enough, then proceed to the next solution, which is to clear the cache and cookies of the browser. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, and then you can click on history. Click on the bin symbol here, change the time range to all time, click on clear now. The last solution will be to reset Chrome. So search for Chrome in the Windows search bar, open Chrome, click on these three dots at the top right corner, and then you can go to settings and then select reset settings, restore settings to the original value, and then reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.